everyone, today I would like to talk about my relatives. I have 3 aunts, 3 uncles, and 5 cousins. They are nice, grateful, and caring. My cousins love to play with me. They are very playful and energetic. I love them so much, and that's why I think they are the best cousins. My aunties and uncles, I love them too. They always surprises me with gifts, and they always smiles at me, and we always hang out together. They are the most generous and helpful and caring person. This is why I love my relatives a lot. Thanks for listening.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন লিফটেড 3 ব্লক কে